In this video I'm gonna enable the other links to work properly, since right now only home works and the others don't. So in pages.js I'm gonna have a comment here actually, and I'm gonna say here get and slash, and copy all that and paste it here, and this is gonna say get a page. So router get, that's fine, and this is gonna be page here, or the slug basically. So let me say slug here actually. Okay, so in here I'm gonna say that var slug is equal to rec params slug, and then I'm gonna say page find one. So find one where the slug is equal to slug, and have a callback with error and the page. And if error, console log error, and a semicolon here, format that a bit. And now I want to check that the page exists, so I'm gonna say if not page. In that case I'm gonna redirect back to home, and else I'm gonna display that index view again with the title of page title and content of page content. Okay, so let's see if this works. And about us, no. Oh, I didn't include the page model. Okay, let me just copy that from here, admin pages, and get it up there. Okay, so now, and here it is, and it's showing hello there. So let's see. Okay, I'm not displaying the content in here, so echo out the content, and let's see now, that works, but I need to have this as a dash instead of an equal sign, and now it's gonna actually be an HTML tag, and here it is. So it all works except for the home. So in pages I'm gonna copy this and paste it here. So this is just gonna say where slug is home, and that should work. So I don't need this if page actually, since that will always exist. Okay, looking good. Let's see. Just the server is restarting, so okay, home page. That's all good, and if I go to some page that doesn't exist, such as test, I am taken back to the home. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.